Now today we're gonna do an unboxing videos about the air fryer. Now, and this branding is Joyouce. Now let's take a look. Now let's open it. Wow. Now you see, we can see the menu and the cookbooks here. You see, well, let's see the cookbook first. It looks really beautiful and magnificent, and there is lots of foods here and teach you how to cook. And let's check the menu. It seems like this menu is strictly certified and it got good quality assurance. Yeah, this sounds really good. Now let's take it out. Now let's take a look at overall situations. You see from the front side and the side look, and about the top line is really beautiful. In touch, really soft and really smooth. Like it makes me really feel like touching really soft. Yeah. Now let's take a look at the inside. Seems like there was two sticks here. Yeah. Wow. There was some skip here. Yeah, it is well protected from here. Silicone and the pans, cake pans. Yeah, that's really good. Let's take a look deep inside. Wow, there was another protection here. That's really good. And it sounds like this one is stainless. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah. Now let's plug in the battery and check how this works. It seems like there is 8 features here. Yeah, the preheat, French fry, and the defrozen, broccoli, and the chicken, fish, bacon, etc. Yeah, it sounds really good. And the screen is like the intelligence touching screen. It is really good, and you can easily control the temperatures and the time. Yeah.